Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can perform descaling in the Philips coffee maker LatteGo. And first let's click on the clean button, then go to the descaling, click on the OK. Now as you can see we have to put the milk container and the water container, then click on the OK. Remember to remove the Aqua Queen filter and click on the OK once again. Now you have to add the descaling detergent to container with your water. Then click on the OK. Place the water tank back. Click on the OK once again. Place a large container and click on the Start to perform the descaling process. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment and goodbye.